Copy the card view with dragging, for the post design. Here we will need text for the user's name. Then some description about the wallpaper. Then we will need an image view. OK, here select the rectangle tool and draw. Remove its border. And drag an image into it. Let me adjust a little. Here I want to add time text that when the user posted the wallpaper. So for this, I will copy text from anywhere. And make it a little lighter in color. Perfect. Down the image view we will need 3 icons, like, share and download. I have already will just copy and paste on there. Perfect. Let me adjust the screen a little. Again, this time copy the community screen by holding Ctrl and click C to copy and hold Ctrl and click V to paste it. Here we need nothing from the community screen except from the top text field, it's a side button, and the card which have shadow. It's our search field, we just simply customized the things we already had. I will just simply place a search icon over the button. Then we'll just copy the category view from the home screen and paste it to the screen we are working on. Perfect. After it, I will make 2 more copies of it, and will change the text as well. Simply just select the whole view, and hold Alt, click, and hold the left mouse key. And drag will make a copy of it. I'm just changing the text of each category. We need to make a copy from the All Category screen by hold Alt, click, and hold the left mouse key. And drag will make a copy of it. Here we don't want all these components, so we have to remove everything except the top 2 images view. Here we have to adjust the image's width and height for the perfect placement. We are going to make grid view and each row will have 3 images at least. Perfect. Just drag an image into it. After selecting all three images, and then click Repeat Grid. By dragging that green bar at the bottom will multiply the images by each row. Let me adjust the space between of each image. Perfect. We don't need the side menu icon on these screens, we'll just remove it. And we'll add a back icon there. We'll continue in the next video.